Maiga yomurai bwense gotababuna nigarachi gutwara chinkwana amana Abasae gochakira guri tukoria Jumatatu na gusirwa ama no murai bobo bwazimio Raila Odinga ni Abasae kurwase county ya Homabay besokirie ritukoria rero na wakira omo orai bobo bwazimio Raila Odinga aso ogotababuna nere nigarachi kugwatirana amo ne serikali ya Kenya erokone kingankonyora bare amagenderero boigo nigo Abasae watababuna chinkwane cho serikali ya Kenya gosomura ibwense bwenrete go chigokwana aburitukuria Monday ne nchere ya moyo kwane kibuna gose ne nchere ya moyo koro kibuna ni go barachi ko igugu ase okorobekano kukwa bete go kwane kigwa korwago maiga orobotioru teatoronyora senchira yuboikirana.
Our one and only Raila Odinga went for handshake. I want to explain this to the nation to get this. We have to understand the term NADCO. We have to understand the word NADCO and we have to analyze everything. Raila went there at KICC to append his signatures due to life that we are undergoing as GNCs in Homabay, not even in Homabay alone, but at large in the country.
The move he made yesterday to bring dialogue among the warring parties, we are very much in support of him, and we will always support him because we know what he stands for and what we stand for. We are in the same voice with him.
We as the Gens team, Kenya nzima, we should embrace a dialogue between us and the government. For me, I think that is the only way that our grievances should be heard. Most of us, we've lost our life. Some of us are not here with us. Sindio? Yeah. They are in hospital. Sindio? Yeah. Others also passed away. Sindio? Sindio? And that is the only way the government can listen for us. Sindio? Yeah. If not that, there is no other way.